forget to they thank everybody will be say. Don't always they on ground for us for inside this program. Like you know, for those who will be say they follow up well. This program now would water for independent television. Now you just they watch. And if you press will be say they follow up well for our radio program, they come man around time. Everything will be say enough is seed for there. All the pictures will be say enough is seed for there. When you follow up for this program, you can see all of them. Like you know the people will be say we always day together. You know my brother Mark Bololo. You know my brother all of them they on ground for inside this program. Well, before I start, my name now F.A. Osafo. Every Monday like this, we day between 9 and 10. We are there on ground every Monday and Friday. We be so they discuss issues we need the way we say they bother on the citizen and what we go fit do for development. If you be person they follow, you know say every time they talk about this Ugbo Amagba Road. And as they talk to you, so my brother Obiokinkpan, you all know as me, so he don't go this Ugbo Amagba Road to really go see the way things be for that side, and we go to see how that road really be for inside this program. This program they go on. But I not talk of finishing. My prof, Professor Sadolo, he don't see with me. Prof. Sagede for now.
I did pure.
Pure.
All is well.
But inside last week, let's say the body get us be on Monday.
You see, they say, man, no matter how he be, if sickness hold him, not a no rich man, not a no poor person. Now make me not feel come that day.
When doctor join us for inside on Monday, when doctor they talk to us, say the kind of sickness where they follow rainy season. Say not be small.
I believe him. Because the one way home here, not be small. Oh. I not feel waka safe. When they do the test, they say typhoid, malaria, parasite. Only me one. I get malaria, parasite, I get typhoid, weather. But God can't do it. The drug what they give me, it can't subside everything. Now I'm going to feed there today.
So now we say all those things when we say our doctor they tell us on Monday, say those ones, say this period, the weather, the kind
very
of
correct.
they take,
Correct.
They tell us. So now we say the thing really affect you well.
You affect me. Oh.
But we thank God now say you don't join us.
Thank you, sir.
Inside this program.
Thank you.
When we say our prof, don't they talk to us? Professor Osagede in don't they on ground for us for inside this program. My brother Apololo, how far?
Good evening,
September 1st.
God don't keep us. What you want for Abego? May not draw my brother leg come out.
Oh, drug.
May not drug. I mark Pololo. You know, say as we they talk now about development, we want to talk about area where you want drug in leg come out and get us a bit. Not be that area we want to look into. For inside, now that area would carry us come.
No, not be the area.
So if he decides say he want to become a man, not be bad thing now happiness.
Happiness.
Happiness now be. But before then, I think we'll quick come on first. We'll go meet our brother Dennis Sofik for the news we be say in get for us this evening.
All right, country people, on our do where we will say on take join us again for Inside the Tori Corner for Inside the program. My name now Dennis Sofik. Well, as we the waka they go, so AK today they don't arrange 138-year-old Ume Chuku go one FCT High Court with the inside Akpo sake of say in carry knife come magamaga one Chijioke onwe and that one come kweme. Well, though in don't they do mone now say in no do that kind thing. Justice Silvanus Orji in don't tell AK them say make the can go inside Kuje prison make it dead there. Make it go there, relax himself, make it first punk with first, based on say this kind of matter so na serious offense. Instead talk, he said the chief judge go arrange the case, give another judge after the holiday. Chuku of Angwa Hakim Orozo, Abuja, and they stand trial on top count of the one where you they call homicide. The prosecutor, what they call Umar Ina, he can tell the court say the defendant so say he do this kind bad matter so on March 28, 2018. Chuku that day use a kitchen knife so take a Zanzan Chijioke onwe for his neck when it comes to say two of them, they get one kind quanta, you see that they try settle between their wives. Well, he say now will be the defendant, so come move himself come up from where the matter dey for the happen, and come say the victim say it be like say life don't they come up from inside the body. According to the bros, the offense it did against section 221 of the penal code. We don't come out inside that matter now. This one not be good news at all, as it be say 21 people them. Now them when it come be say the boat will be say they enter come do tombo for inside river, and that one so they say now because of people will be say they pack cows them for inside northern Nigeria, say now it cause this kind thing. This matter so now today now for happen. They say this boat so they carry 50 people then for inside, and when it come be say the water can't get as it be, the current can't dey high. Now what it come happen be say inside Gandhi district for Sokoto state around 10 o'clock yesterday na him for happen. Suleiman Karim wey dey inside National Emergency Management Agency come dey tell 5 people say rescue teams them don already get some people them wey be say they say 17 of them are women and 4 are children wey be say they still dey inside the boat and they escape, nothing happened to them. He say 29 other passengers them say those ones they lucky say nothing happened to them, but the other ones wey be say they first mentioned before say those ones they permit for inside the matter. So finally contribute this evening for inside the sport story. Nigeria Super Eagles striker Ahmed Musa in don port now from Leicester City for England go Al Nassr wey dey for inside Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Arabian club then they announced the transfer. Well, no talk of how much we be say they want to pay this our bros. So but we don't forget say Musa follow Nigeria go inside Russia where he be say in wire 2 shots take tier net for Nigeria to make him Nigeria highest goal scorer for inside the World Cup. Well, when Leicester City they buy this bros will be 25 years old, so they buy him for £16 million from CSK Moscow for 2016, and now be their record signing. But after he can score only 2 goals for 21 times, we be say he play for the club. Now they come borrow him back to the Russian club. We be say they first buy him from before. Well, now on top that sports story this evening, now we go for Waka Reach for inside the Tory Corner. My name is Steve Dennis Ofik. The program still the Waka they go. On a good evening.
Well, we don't come back from my brother Dennis Ofik. You see all the report where we say in don't give us this evening. For area where we saying to in don't work. But as they come from there, I think what they gave Benue now, we'll really go see our Benue. You say you don't hear many things where we say concern that state, how they don't talk, say the governor for there or say they want impeach him, and you go hear what they don't talk, say single development say not there for Benue, say the money where we say that state they get where say the governor not they use and they do anything. See where the national chairman for APC don't they talk about that state, say the organ not do anything and development not there. Because of that one, 8 members out of 30 they want impeach on that day. This one go really carry us go there. We'll go talk to them for Benue. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
We go see one know your name. Oh.
My name is Teve Akase, Chief Press Secretary to the Governor of Benue State.
Okay, we say we join you this evening because of different things where we say with the year, but your state well. First, we say we entered why we say this impeachment matter. What did they have where they say they impeach your governor?
Well, they don't fail already. They don't fail. Benue Assembly now 30 members there, and 8 people no fit according by the constitution. 8 people no fit sit down and say they want to impeach governor out of 30 members. So the plot don't fail, and Governor Tom they work even today he day in office before him close. So the plot don't fail. That in the mischief and illegality where those people want to do, but they don't already fail. So we know they talk about them in Benue now.
Okay, so far how situation of things be about that matter there now?
Well, Benue they come, Fulani people have no come yet. we still there here. The only problem we get that the policemen will take over assembly complex. So we civil servants where they work for state assembly. With the one that waiting police IG want take that accounting do, and I will come call them, say, look, these people are civil servants. They not be politicians, and now their workplace. You know, suppose go block or chase them out of their offices. So up to today, the assembly police still did that place, and the civil servants don't fit enter assembly go work. But the only problem with it, but as per the impeachment move, the 8 lawmakers don't already fail, and you hear the wide condemnations where Nigerians they condemn them. They don't already fail, and we are not bothering ourselves too much.
Okay.
About that's the way the 8 members don't try to do.
What is there among most of this is they say the governor not just do anything kaka for that state. Say money will enter that state, the governor just the chop and say development not there for there.
Nah, lie, all of those people they talk. Where them they where Governor Tom still the APC? Why APC no criticize them when him still their member? Why they not raise this eyebrow with them they raise now when Governor Tom be their member? Not be their national chairman Adams Oshomole take him out. They commend Governor Tom, say him be one of their best stars, one of their best performing governors for Niger. How many weeks, how many days it take way the same Adams Oshomole come begin to talk, say Otom not do anything, when Otom don't already leave APC. So that one now fake posture be that. You commend somebody in the morning, say the person they good. The same you come in the evening, come and say the person not they good. Now your character will be questioned. Now people will question your character. Say waiting be your problem. The same you carry your mouth for morning, say this person they good. Now the same you come carry your mouth for evening, say the person not good. APC for their state congress last month, I mean in June or thereabout, for Aperaco Stadium for Makoti. They are Otom said that they are the only candidate when they met for this coming election. Because the governor don't do well. Governor Otom don't perform in spite of the problem with the security and economy. You don't do many things, many roads.
I think people like saying
you don't build many primary health centers. You don't build hospitals.
Well, we'll see join the chief press secretary back because the network now get as CB as they talk to us.
You hear me? Hello?
Would they hear you?
Good. So what's the talk we say? The same people will praise Otom in the morning, come they criticize them in the evening. So that the people character, then we go question.
Okay, chief press secretary, the question we may want to ask you now. Wait till you go fit here and not just say the governor don't do for that state.
Plenty way don't do. Plenty things we don't do. Look, the former government leave 11 roads. Otom come mobilize contractors for all the roads. Many of them don't enter different stages of completion as I talk to you. And for health, about 50 communities now don't enjoy primary health center. At least I know that more than 40 who I don't confirm. They enjoy primary health centers. That is in collaboration between Benue and Benue State Government and the SDGs office. Because Benue State Government they provide 50% of the fund, and the SDGs office they provide 50%. Where they call matching grant. To begin to do projects, primary health center, water scheme, motorized borehole, and in terms of health, primary health center day, and the school of nursing where they for Makodi went for 4 years. They don't take it serious. As in nursing, as Governor Otom come, he don't pump money into that school of nursing. They don't renovate. You need to come see that school now as I talk to you. For 4 years, Benue no produce new nurses. But as Governor Otom come, nurses don't, Benue they produce nurses now. Benue they produce doctors now. For 12 years, the state university no produce any doctor since the creation of that university. Because they don't finish every way they supposed to finish. So that the university's commission will give accreditation for the School of Health Sciences, the School of Health Sciences. Now, Governor John come pay money, do every way supposed day ground for the accreditation to enter. The accreditation come, university's commission come accredit the School of Health. As I talk to you, close to 160 doctors don't already graduate. 175. That is for after 12 years since the creation of that university. No doctor don't graduate for that university. But now Otom come start the thing. And as I talk to you, Benue don't produce 171 doctors already. Then you go check primary schools. 740 blocks they go on as I talk to you for different primary schools for Benue. And as I talk, more than 400 don't already they completed. And very soon the governor will go there and begin commission them. Now for rules, I don't already talk them. Say 11 rules where they don't abandon, Governor Tom don't mobilize contractors, 2 already they completed. And he don't give new contracts for 2 new rules.
Okay.
And
if you look down, how much now the old workers? How much now the old worker for salary matter?
That one problem where the government get. You know, say Benue they pay the 3rd highest wage bill for Nigeria. Not be only nurse. For the nurse, now Benue they get the highest salary. Benue civil servants they take the highest salary for the whole of northern Nigeria. And for the whole of Nigeria, now Benue they 3rd after Lagos and River State. The wage bill for Benue they very high. But in spite of that, I talk to you since January to this July. Today, everybody don't receive a lot for July. Since January, you don't miss 1 month. So what remain at the arrears of last year?
So how much did the arrear of last year?
Will be like 5 or 6 months for state, and more months for local government and teachers. But as we dey talk, efforts dey ground
so
to get.
This area now who hold am? Who of the governor hold this area now? Tom abi he come meet am for ground.
You know, say Otom come meet about 11 months for teachers salary where they no pay. 11 months where him come inherit. So since that time when they pay, the thing never gree finish because the money no dey enough. So not be in fault.
So he come meet 11 months when he take over office?
Yes. Now waiting the ground. But him they try. You know, say the wage bill of Benue they have, but the allocation where they come in, no plenty. Now the problem is that. But in spite of all these things and the security challenge where they ground here, the government they try. Now they don't talk say they said in the probe governor security was now they ask say look, which governor for Nigeria in security votes they under investigation? Which governor? Even federal government. Can they tell us how much they don't spend for Boko Haram fight? Or for any other fight for Nigeria for Operation Crocodile Eye, Crocodile Smile, or Python Dance? How much they spend for all those operations? If you tell us, but Otom's case, they don't probe how much Otom don't spend for the fight against the Fulani herdsmen, the invasion of cattle herders. Now, persecution be this.
So before we go dey comot now, Chief Press Secretary, the issue we need to do with Fulani herdsmen and farmer, how they be now?
Well, you know, say anytime where rainy season come, the Fulanis go withdraw. Because even for Sokoto or for Borno, grass will grow at that time. Or the time where their wahala they come pass that during dry season.
So far now they're not there on ground
now. But you know say the agenda for Benue now occupation. Not be just to chop grass and go back. Waiting in one now to take over this land. But as I talk to you, because of the Operation West Stroke where they ground, and remember I said now Governor Tom don't call federal government many times. So they can change that Operation Catris with the Ayema Patuma for team language.
So what about our IDP camps were there? The IDP camps.
You know, say Inspector General of Police don't withdraw IDP camp, police for IDP camp, but because we don't raise alarm, it be like say they don't change their orders small, because we say, look, if you withdraw police from IDP's camp, now be say you won't make the IDPs they vulnerable. So it be like they don't change their minds more, but we still watch. We never take our eyes off the camps.
Okay.
Because the current IG, we don't trust them at all. At all.
So we salute you the time we take journals this evening.
They do like Namieti ala commander MB.
So by the chief press secretary we salute you. I think the one we be so go do now, our crew go come there. Some of these things we be saying don't really tell us. We'll take time on our own, can't really look at things we say they on ground, we'll call look at. How you look at, Prof?
The band already talk with you, won't talk. From the look of things, the man talk everything way he did on ground. Right? From that of herdsmen, we say the dry season, they come their place, but rains do not come. They're not to come there because when grasses grow, with that rainy season, you see a cow would chop the grass. But when they not see grass chop again, that dry season, they'll call the entire farms. So what in the man talk is true.
So, Pololo, you see what he talk just now. He tell us, say, the House of Assembly, they say police take over. Like the other thing, they always they talk. The way we say police take over the House of Assembly for that state. If the town full and ASM, they attack them for there, we see number of police and the IG go that place. Sure say for people reach like say up to now, say police take over the House of Assembly.
My brother, sometimes I resolve to tell everybody, every one of us, see, one thing we will do for ground will be lasting legacy for development. Let me see, make we strengthen institutions and not individuals. You understand? So that the institutions are going to take care of so many things. If not like that, these things will not ever be. Of course, you will not say again what they call voice of Jacob, body of Esau. Now somebody tell policemen how to see the waka, Mona go do this one, Mona go do, but you no go see the person. They go later say order from above. But when you watch other countries, those institutions they are on their own. As a chief judge, as a chief justice, as a judge, you fit the president when we say he employ you, you fit a program, you fit give judgment against them, and not go happen. Many things when we say we don't see for other developed lives. Now, in every sector, we're supposed to reduce the concentration of power in any way. Make the police, SSS, any institution at all, university, or make it their own independent, make it on their own. If you don't be like that, say with the time to the government power, the government of the day. You get one language they use for Edo here where they call Pekpilo. We go continue to the Pekpilo for one place. Because it could be like say we go take 3 steps backward, 1 step forward, 3 steps backward. Now we do. And that one no carry go anywhere. Because we don't see the business of those policemen in the House of Assembly. But now we want to talk. They don't when they say they want to maintain law and order. I believe so. That's what I go tell you. And you know go get what you want to do. You know if somebody they don't do their work. But is it true that the law and order they won't do? In the widest imagination, of anybody. Say you can't carry 8 people. Say they won't impeach
22 people.
22 people. You don't see that kind of thing before.
And the governor.
And the governor, you don't see that kind of thing before. Now, so impeachment just be. You see what happened for Imo State? You see what happened for Imo State? When say Governor Kocha say me the country say do that before you just over 24 hours, just like what will happen for Edo State. One what will be this man who represent of your Southwest. Honorable Gordon Adeno. Over that 24 hours, back. They don't just program. All that work. What I can't tell people that may you know where we Nigerians will claim will be leaders. They take our place to when they impeach the governor the deputy governor of what if it this Imo State. What it talk? The young man can go court can't give them restrain them saying that impeachment dey illegal. They still impeach them. Now they want to swear in somebody else.
Yeah, they don't agree.
For the swearing ceremony, another court order come. Now they tell the chief judge, look, court order don't come. So you know if swearing him, everybody just sit down. Now the chief judge say, look, I don't feel do this because it's against the law of the land. But when you go back, go and read the statement of the Attorney General of that state. He said, look, you see, we don't want to continue with this exercise because there is a restraining court order. But before the end of the day, another court order will come to vacate that order. Because you know in law, once there is a court order, until another order come to vacate that law, that judgment is binding. Until another superior court go vacate that order. Whether rightly or wrong, but at least they don't vacate am. Now you dey say before the end of the day another order will come to vacate am.
If you say as they do am before now, you go just see do am.
So now when you tell say another order will come to vacate this or vacate the other, but say before the end of the day.
Another one no come.
Another one, that kind of statement, it shows that you don't already know how the order go take come.
No, if you say they don dey work do underground work.
Yes,
so the underground work now because another one must come.
Exactly, to cover that one. No come.
But I still commend the governor there because if na some state. The governor will abeg do am nothing dey happen. I will cover you up. Thank God say the governor still obey. I know some governor go say I say swearing.
Dem say go swearing. We know wetin dey do. Wetin dey happen.
The integrity of the judge. I thank that judge. Say he stand the ground. Say yes, he no go do that kind of thing because some judges for fit do am but the chief judge from Imo State he say no, he no fit.
Na integrity be that one.
That's integrity.
Integrity.
You understand? That is integrity.
But if you see some things wey some people dey not be like say integrity.
No.
Yeah, that's integrity.
That's self-centeredness.
If you see some attitude of some people when they occupy some offices you dey imagine say this man say no wetin be integrity.
Even me I was shocked that the governor of the state governor Kochako even say say he go respect the court order. I was shocked. You understand?
Yes.
Because some kind of things wey be say e dey happen for that state I didn't expect that governor
will say that.
I also commend the governor too but like I talked before the only way out is that we must strengthen institution. Let the judiciary stand on their own. Let House of Assembly stand on their own. Let the local government stand on their own. When they want to try anybody let them try the person. Whoever commits offence whether na governor pikin or deputy governor pikin or senator pikin let the person face the law.
No be as dem no wan make it be no be as dem no want am so na make things dey go on like this na because if dem want am if we come back to Edo State House of Assembly we say like say I ready me I be servant I no wan be oga on my own person just come out hoa say as I dey so I wan make I be servant I no wan be oga you wey dey say me I be oga I no need am as I be servant so dey
make
I just like am like this no be people talk am. But no be this state.
No. They voted against their.
They say they don't want am. They want make them be servant o. They want make them be servant under governor. They as they just remain boy under governor. So they want. He say as far as they are concerned, they dey under Godfather and they want to remain like that. People dey drive this say they say small pikin wan enter fire. They say that they drive am comot for inside fire. He say he wan remain for fire. You don see that kind of life before. But now when the family pass now, I think they go enjoy inside.
They go enjoy.
No, we come dey talk and say make dem say me other House of Assembly dey independent. Why I don't remain with the executive as e be before? because they say they no want am. Person say you no want am, you go force am.
You no force am.
When we dey come back again, we'll go for a small break. When we come back, you see this issue of Ugbo Amagba Road, wey be say we dey always dey talk. Professor Sagede don talk about that place where and my brother Oben, who know as Prince so na really go that area go cover for us. But we'll go for a small break when they come back. My people don come back. The program wey be say you see dey watch na Uduota, the art of the matter for independent television. Don't forget every Monday and Friday 9 to 10 na we take dey on ground, and if you dey follow up on start time we dey for 1:30 and on GoTV we dey for 1:07, and on Thursday too between the hours 4 and 5 we just dey watch am for our terrestrial for independent television. We also dey here. Professor Sagede sit there with me, my brother Mark Wololo sit there with me. I know say you too, you still dey there where we say you still dey watch this program. Prof, how issue of this Ugbo
You know, I go there, I go video the whole place. I tell the community say I go show for ITV to tell the governor say make come repair. Make they come do repair for Ugbo and Magba, because when they do that to deceit the gutter and the road never still good. If you go Ugbo once, Magba, you visit mechanic twice. I'm telling you, because since there I go when I record everything, so I sure say my motto, I don't pack am. No need to go. If you see the whole road down, see how the road be. It's Ugbo Amagba Road. It's not motorable. So we beg the governor, state governor, to help us. The self-help way we do, we dig gutter for both sides. I know say NDDC that time, during the reign of Matthew Udoekiwe, he tried. He dig gutter, he do the road, but I don't know whether money not come there or money not finish. The road not come good again. You see how the road be. So that's why we are begging the state governor. I beg, may they come rescue us. If you visit Ugbo once, which means you go visit mechanic twice. So I beg.
But they say big man food that area.
Big man food that area. See, we are only two professors in the Ekaba community. Professor S.M. Ogbawa and my humble self, Professor F.U. Sagede. We don't get money to take one. Now those big men, every money where we take some, fill the whole thing, and dig the gutters by ourselves to the moat. The moat self, if it full, the water will come and go back to our houses, because on the moat many people go build house across the moat.
But una no dey there when they build house across the moat.
My brother, I might tell you wetin had happen. No say me no dey. I wan dey go the youth meeting and so on. When people dey, you no fit dey follow everywhere. They go just grade one place, they go put house. So I want me comrade governor, governor go there.
Of the number second.
Yes, Governor Obaseki. In Norway, I say Obaseki. Make it go 50 by 100, they give moat. Make it follow that yardstick. Any person will build house on top of moat, the person na your own luck.
But Lolo, you see, say the one where they talk, say the natural drain where we say God don't
natural drain.
The natural drain we all don't cover. The thing don't tie everybody neck.
You know, I see to first talker to that to strengthen my brother. So we thank you when you see still go record.
Ingo they talk to us live for this program just now, because na him go for Ugbo Amagba go cover. He still go for Orio. He get some issues where we say they go on there. Road they come, they say make it pass through two community. Say because a quarter day, so no one make it go through. And all those ones will go they look at as they go. I know say as they obeying, don't they come where we say go take join us for this program.
So the issue we say I first talk about institution just now, Prof. Are you hearing me now, Prof? Why? Because I discovered that's the way they talk so. If our ministries were working,
God bless you.
they go abroad now. I go this small country that day. I say road where they do 35 years ago.
It's still there.
Road where they do 40 years ago. It's still there. Why? What do you mean they get Zanzibar International Film Center? Because houses when they build in 1840, 17 something, they are still there. Some of them, na sand they still build them.
More houses.
The road where they built 40 years ago, they are still there. When you go to other country, there are some places you go, individuals don't even get rights to even build house. Now government go tell you how you take build am. When you show your plan to government go tell you how you take build am. Go check our, you know, say we don't morally, we as the people, we don't also decay where.
EDPA.
Just use ordinary streets to start am. When water dey flow for street, you just say somebody build house for like see house, see road, see house. You go use fence take reach road. Now the question you go ask is say that fence wey you take clear the road, wetin you wan do the whole of that compound do? Na everyday you dey do party?
No.
Na everyday? So you can say Ministry of all this urban planning, Ministry of Environment, all of these lands and survey.
Yes.
E come like say everywhere we dey try to retain say we sharp. Na we, in fact, for this side of the world, water no suppose to be our problem. As they say, all this flooding, but we use our hand take cause so many things.
But you get one thing when they see for the western part of this country now, where you say when you build a house, all of the front of the house, everybody they do drain, they do gutter for front of the house. If your land now 50 by 100, you'll do your gutter for the front. If your land now 100 by 100, you'll do the gutter.
And they have a standard.
I don't see how many times
get here western state.
they go for
It's
western,
proper,
they
yes.
do gutter for
They
front
do
of the
one.
house.
But you also know say they get standard. I mean not so.
Yes.
They get standard. They get standard wey they follow for that thing. Not say everybody just
community.
no. They will tell you, they will give you an architect, they will give you a somebody who will build it to the specification. That na be the thing wey they always say things now are not working. You see, go Minister of this lands and survey. Go check all these houses, all these
houses
wey dey talk to.
Blockage of
make government say make they go wetin talk just now make they go dey measure so by
50 by 100.
50 by 100.
50 by
Go
100
and check all those.
I say they block on top of road. They
They block on top of the Sanfila.
A lot of them have government plan. Some of them even get different government people.
Government official go there, they'll boom bad. The other day, the work still dey
It goes to go.
And people wey dey there go, they appeal say government official don come.
Come just say yes.
They'll post badge at the end 2-3 days.
You don finish the house.
I know of a woman who many years ago who carry us go one house for Sapele Road. Ministry of Lands and Survey put bad the map for where he do am like this as we speak that house still stand. Many of them like that in this town, many of them like that in this country. So when you see things like this, when erosion come when flood come, who are you not blaming?
No.
Okay, we dey come back for small break. When we come back, my brother Oben, who know as Prince, so he go dey join us. I tell you just now, say he to monitor for this Ugbo Amagba road. I need to go cover one road project.
But before we go break,
yes.
Make I also talk. I read for newspaper say the governor of Edo State don award that Ugbo Amagba road.
That's why I
read that for paper.
I read that too.
But we never fit join.
Who you read that?
No, this week for Monday.
Yes.
Yes, I read that for people when Crusoe Sagi.
So automatically you say you don't see an earmark.
Yes.
You never see.
I read that for
wait
the,
now. You don't see her for earmark.
You never see
her for
earmark.
But at least I read that.
So for now, Akpololo say you don't see her for earmark.
But never see her for earmark.
Will they come back for a small break? My people will not come back. The program will be say you see the watch Nana Udwata, the art of the matter for independent television. Don't forget every Monday and Friday we do on ground 9 to 10 for inside this program. If you just tune in your start time for 1:30, we'll do on ground there, and if you tune in for your Go TV for 1:07, you too will do on ground for us for inside this program. And if you go for on Thursday too for our terrestrial for 4 to 5. We dey on ground. I tell you just now, say my brother Oben in there for studio because na him go cover this Ugbo Amagba for us, and still go for this Oreo. If you remember, say one project they go on, the people they suffer, the neighboring community, all of them they suffer there. Oben, good evening, sir.
Good evening, my brother.
So now you go for this Ugbo Amagba road. How the place really be?
My brother, na no go area. As na the share for the clip, na so the thing you really be. To the extent for Amagba, Ugbo, now you go first reach before you Amagba. Even moat, dey for that Ugbo. Plenty moto as we dey waka dey go.
So
after the market.
The moat, because Professor Sajede tell us just say moats are there. He say but they don't block them.
Now they can't tell us say they can't tell me particular say. Bros, we for carry you go where the moat dey o. But these kind people when we say they take houses, take block the moat. Say they don't know wetin go come happen, they carry me go.
Yeah.
Now I can say okay, make I go.
That they'll beat them.
Make I not go forget my shoe for there. Now they can say okay, make I go Amagba. If I dey come, they carry me go see the Ohen. Maybe the Ohen fit delegate people. Say make we go. When I even reach Amagba, now Amagba can't even be the worst to my brother. I know
like
you.
moat many there
Oh, cool. Even behind the Noge Palace, when we even reach the Noge Palace, and though I don't meet them for household, but the people when they talk when we around say, even go see moat when they themselves, they even point hand.
Say they block
Say
up.
one of the community person, now even go block am. He said, "Na me go carry camera." Say, "Man, they show." I say, "Without the permission of the Noge." Say, "Na Noge go carry me go." So she say, "Noge not there." Then I can't book appointment, but I have to do the one when I go fit do. So everything when my brother Prof just talk for this program, no lie for inside, no lie. Una see the state of the road as it be now.
So this Oreo, what really they go on there?
For this Oreo on, you know say for Ihobo, gas plant dey there this turbine, this electricity power plant.
Yes.
When they for Ihobo there. Then the contractor when they there when be Azura. It be like say, no be like say federal government come tell and say okay now, as it be now all the neighboring communities, maybe you give them light and road, they agree. So the road project now they do now, they do it from Ihobo to Oreo 2, that is Oreo 7 there. Then from there you can enter Oreo 1, Oreo Zolwa. Then from there you can enter one community before you can reach Ute. And this Azura now, they get their step down for Ute, where they can control the road they go. They don't already complete them. Me just read there, but though I know we did this clip. So now, where Oreo Oseme they reach as boundary for primary school there, and then they don't construct the gutter reach, and now there they tell me say they want to do the road reach.
Why? The road they not fit extend down.
They go the road supposed to go end for Ute, this El Permission extension.
So why what you call stop on?
Then the people went there for Oreo 7 there, they call the alert say Oreo Zolwa, that is Oreo 1. Say they say make they not construct that road enter their community.
The individual get power to say they not construct road.
My brother, now that one, now me I
But you not see them for the.
May you wait now. May you wait. Now, no say now off camera people, no say community people now they must really talk. Now can say okay, let me just go and hear from the Nogi. Now Nogi go tell me what really happen when we say they want to stop that road for there. I reach a Nogi place, I sit down. They can say what be my name. Now I can't tell them. Where I come from, I can't tell them. Say from my TV. They can say okay, they come enter house. Come out again. They come tell me say Enogi not the house. After they don't interview me, enter house, come back to. They say okay, Enogi sorry, we are sorry. Enogi not the house. Now I come out. I can't go the second community. That's Oreo 1, Oreo Zolwa. Ask me read there. The people when me meet for the door, I don't meet Enogi, but I still meet some other elderly people. Now they come, they ask me questions. Say, you see somebody when they go see better thing, they come in community, go say no. He say, what all those Oreo or 7 they talk? Say, na lie you. say now say they hear am for feel as say Orio 7 they say make they not do and pass them, do and enter their community. Now cause say but somebody person not get power like that. This is a federal government project and state now in collaboration with state. That's why our carries for.
So you never see free here from the Enogie.
Because tell us. I can't go to Enogie palace and not Mr. for house. So the two Enogie they not fit take their interview and not see them. But due to some people when they talk from this side and this side, don't they not
the constructor or the construction company not talk to
you know they don't get them.
Whether they see the carry and the go or they not carry.
Now through the construction company mouth. Because even the person, the project supervisor, he say no go fit talk, not until he no go give am permission.
Now the supervisor go talk.
Make they quote am now. And they quote the Azura
the company.
Company now. These projects they come you for control their me, that woman. That one come meet me for the site. He say we are sorry, we cannot talk. Except he no go give them go ahead. Like I say, I no go give una contract. See wetin we dey hear say na here na. He say yes. Say now what you go fit tell me that say but now here now be the instruction what they give say they want do this. And my brother that road if he come out for Ute and this Opamation station oh he go even serve as in fact
good bypass
Ajani roads.
you see anybody when you're there within you be near as this say they come Opamation station he go just pass that place or they come to this bypass.
That is from bypass now to Upper Mission Station. Go just be another good bypass.
One way, my brother. And if you see the doing what they do to high standard, there is the do you see them for sight, but they don't really talk to me.
Because if you see the drainage, you see the kind of drainage
very deep.
You go carry water well.
Then if you watch front now, you go see where one big tree from fall because where they did in a primary school.
You don't see the casting there, Prof.
The casting high.
Yes. Water be this one so.
Yeah.
So now here now come be the band. Then they claim as the boundary of
if they leave this drainage here now, if water they go see spoil from there, they spoil as they go.
Even their community itself, you go see they worry them because this water now they carry because the way they take do the design as they do the casting they go enter Upper Mission Station from there they go river all the water way
you gather from there you go enter that place they go river. And as I speak with
you now Orio 1 now when be Orio Zolwa now the Toute all those communities when they there they know the fear now they say they don't know what they happen though. Government say make they do road for them because it is part of the agreement because that Azura and I come put that power plant there. Say all their journey rules, all their journey they go to them. Me I come surprised.
So I think our duty to make sure say we hear from the two.
From the two Enogie.
Because we not
very good. The two Enogie.
To hear to make sure so we
exactly that are the best.
Why we must hear from them? If the road good, e no mean say na only the way the community go.
No go enjoy am. Everybody will enjoy am.
Me go enjoy am. You wey dey watch this program na Prof. Everybody. This community go enjoy the other community go enjoy visitors wey dey come you go fit take if hold up dey from Upper Mission
just take am from there go there
from bypass
go
out good network so for we to say dem wan stop am there may e no go the other side no e get as e be
that na selfish interest
so we I think the state government too go look into am the local government all of them go sit the federal to make sure say that road dey throw am to Upper Mission Station. Prof, how you look this matter.
No na so as your talk so na so e be you see when development dey come people dey also like am but no be say one community before you enter the Orio 2 say no they no wan pass am through there e mean say that people they are selfish.
No, we don't fit just jump to conclusion
no,
now like as I talk because say e don reach no say e don reach there they say they go inside house they come out just be like first pikin wey be say e say where your pa he say my pa say may I tell you say he dey sleep.
And that's what the matter be now.
That's what the matter be.
Because we read the
he say my pa say make I tell you say
he dey sleep.
Because this is as they receive us they come ask us our name I come introduce.
Now he say they come.
He say they come.
He come go inside. He come by say no. So we go still go back. Maybe when we go back by God's grace.
Maybe you no go
come. You go watch this program.
They attend to different issues for different area.
Community.
So maybe e no really dey. So we'll still go back. Prof, how you look this matter?
You see,
go still go back again.
We'll go back. May they go here from the two no
yeah, the two no game because the good made that.
Yeah, more no waiting really happen. Orion 1 officer may they not extend the road to Orion 2. Because a federal government project.
Well, I think so, our PD don't they talk to us say yes. So my brother Peter in there on ground since where they make sure say things work out fine for inside this program.
My brother, everybody on the watch this program, I greet all of you now. We must get there where we go.
We are
even
going to
if
get
they
there.
work out small like this. Even if we're supposed to go there maybe 30 years. And maybe if we can reach 60 years, but we'll still get there. But you do the right thing at the right time.
God bless you.
And we go make us reach there.
Prof.
Otherwise.
Where they go?
You see, what I always tell people to say, it is not a crime to be a child, but it's a crime, an abomination, and an error to remain a child.
Yes. And a big challenge too.
Big challenge.
No parents will go there happy saying born pikin after 1 year the pikin no dey waka, they get up, they crawl. Na big challenge now still be. Because before you talk say hope dey say we go get there. Na make me still remind that my brother will say we go get there. Say any parents when you go born pikin after 1 year 2 years the pikin no dey get up, dey crawl, dey move. E just dey one place na big problem. Now when the pikin don dey learn how to dey move small you say there is hope. Say go soon dey move, go soon dey get up now, go soon dey crawl, go soon dey move. When the pikin just dey where e dey create since when dem born am, there is an error according to that my pastor. Now the one be say time go permit us for this program today be this, and not forget say my brother Mark Bololo in the on ground since. Prof dey with me and you will be say dey there dey watch this program. I salute all of now. Obion I greet you well.
I greet you my brother.
I greet you well and Prof.
Thank you very much.
I salute all of you.
You do well.
On Monday we see the on ground. My name remain F.A. Osafowan.